Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, and that's how not to get flagged on Craigslist and how not to get ghosted. So, we have this software that you can get on autopostingtools.com, and basically the software comes with a manual. But I just will give you a little bit of background. So, this program basically allows you to post multiple ads on Craigslist, but Craigslist has some rules that you must follow so your ads don't get flagged or don't get removed. In this case, this is the information where you put your email and your proxies and everything, and then here you will start creating your own ads, and then in the web browser it will start posting the ads automatically for you. In this case, we want to know the different rules that we must follow so our ads don't get flagged. So to do that, we just go here on help and we just go to read manual. This is going to open the manual that contains the information about how not to get flagged. So I just will scroll down and basically we just go to the section about the posting guidelines to not get flagged or ghosted. So you click control and then you click the title or you go to page 21. So this is the guidelines. So here are some tips that work for me and that you can also use. So use multiple profiles and rotate between them so you don't always post the same ads. That what it's referring to is that you could have multiple profiles that contain your information about your account. So Craigslist account 1, Craigslist account 2, Craigslist account 3. If you have more accounts, so you could have sample 2 or the name of your profile, and you could have multiple accounts and you should rotate between them so you don't always post with the same accounts and you have like more ability to post more often. So then use spin syntaxes in your ads and title. So this way your ads will be different every time you post. So whenever you're creating a new ad, you have the option to use the mega spinner. So this is the mega spinner. Basically what you do is you just type multiple variations of what you want to say, like hello, I am driving, and then you give multiple variations like car. So you get some synonyms, and basically these are some synonyms that appear. So I add all of them to the list, but I select one of them and I add the other one to the list. The new version, basically, you just click on, you remove the ones that you don't want with the delete button on the top, and then you click add all of them to the list, and then this will add all of them to the list, and then you can choose generate the spin syntaxes. And then this is the spin syntaxes, which is multiple variations of the same content, and then you can just mega spin that and then basically give you multiple variations of the same ad. So this works for titles and for ads. So this way you have like the same ad, but it's going to look different every time you post one ad. So it works the same thing for phrases like, hello, I am in the need of hiring someone. I am hiring people. Uh, I need people for a job. So you see, these are multiple variations of the same content, but basically it's written different. So if you generate the spin syntaxes of that, you will get a different text every time. So this way your ads always look different, and you could do this multiple times with multiple phrases. So you get like your ad always looks different, and this way your ads doesn't repeat themselves. Okay, so that's what it was talking about that point. So when you send your phone number, put the number in the image of the ad. So whenever you're creating your ad, create ads that have images, but in the images put your phone number. So you don't have to put your number into the text of your body of your ad. That way Craigslist will not find it. So same thing for the websites. So That way Craigslist cannot read the text and you won't get flagged. So post on multiple categories and cities. Distribute your post evenly between cities and categories. So this way you have multiple ads running. So if one ad gets flagged, you still have ads in different categories that are still running. So you always have like your ads running. So that way you always get people calling you. Basically, you could just go through all of those, and basically it's going to explain you some of the steps that you have to follow so you don't get flagged. So put multiple variations of your phone number. I will just go through them very quick because this is like a short video, but I just wanted to let you know that this manual contains all the information that you need so you don't get flagged. So always put ads with pictures. They are more attractive for people. People like pictures. Post 3 ads per account only. If you post more than 3 ads, then your ads will go to the draft folder. So just post 3 ads per account, basically. So you could have your account post one day yes and one day no. So that way your accounts are always active and like they have like time to rest between posting sessions. So your accounts will last longer if you do that. Um, once you finish posting, grab the URLs of your ads and then put them on the YouTube view increaser. So that way your ads will be watched multiple times and they will be harder to flag. So basically, it's what I just said. This module has a section about YouTube views increaser. Basically, let me just get it for you. YouTube view increaser. So basically here it is. You put your Craigslist ads there, Craigslist link, and then basically you add multiple links there, and then you just start running this. You click the button start, and it's going to start running and watching your ads multiple times. So that way your ads get seen multiple times before going live into the internet. So your ad is flag proof. So just proxies for the city where you're posting. Basically, don't mix them. Like you could watch my video tutorials on that about the how to post nationwide, so you have like better understanding on how to do that kind of process. So if you go to auto posting tools and you go to tutorials, here you will find multiple tutorials that will help you to achieve that. So this is the tutorial that you need to watch is how to post nationwide. So that way it's going to explain you more about that point. And if you post in multiple cities, always use proxies for the cities where you are posting. So these are like some guidelines that you will have to follow. There are obviously more factors that could make your ads get flagged or ghosted, but here I just wanted to discuss more or less the main ones. And as the time goes by, I'm going to be adding more points to this list, so you are always like aware of what is going on with Craigslist systems. Okay, so thank you for watching. Read the manual and basically use these posting guidelines so your ads don't get flagged or ghosted. Thank you. Bye bye.